The drone world is buzzing again, and all eyes are on DJI, trusted insider. Jasper Ellen has dropped a few cryptic hints that have sent the entire drone community into overdrive. At first glance, the DJI Neo 2 might look like a simple refresh, but a closer look reveals something far bigger. Some reports suggest it'll feature a 1.3-inch sensor, but that's just the beginning. Eagle-eyed fans noticed mysterious new components on its arms, a possible LiDAR sensor and receiver on the right, and what seems to be a tiny built-in display on the left. Could it be showing real-time flight or follow-me modes? If that's true, this could easily become the smartest mini drone DJI has ever created. But it doesn't stop there. DJI seems to be shifting its entire strategy. The Neo 2 is said to be fully compatible with DJI goggles N3, meaning immersive FPV-style flying is no longer just for the pros. Imagine experiencing cinematic flight paths, deep dives, and tracking shots, all from the pilot's perspective. Even better, DJI is making sure existing users don't get left behind. The Neo 2 will reportedly sync with older accessories and smartphones, keeping your experience connected and shareable without forcing new purchases now. The bad news: DJI's new intelligent battery comes with a serious upgrade in both power and price. The Neo 2 battery now costs $129, compared to the previous $59. The rest of the ecosystem follows suit. Propellers, charging hub guards, all more expensive. But that might be the price of progress. As DJI prepares for a historic reveal on October 30th, 2025, rumor has it this could be the last drone certified under the current FCC rules, marking a turning point not just for DJI, but for the entire drone industry. Here's where things get exciting. DJI is introducing something entirely new. The Neo 2 comes with a detachable external transceiver module, sleek add-on that connects via USB-C on the back of the drone. This isn't just an accessory, it's a game changer. By enabling OcuSync for support, it delivers longer range, ultra-stable video transmission, and lower latency than ever before. In simple terms, you'll see what your drone sees. Faster and sharper than any mini DJI before it. That means the Neo 2 can pair seamlessly with DJI goggles N3, motion controllers, and pro-grade remotes, turning a small travel drone into a serious cinematic powerhouse. DJI is breaking the old model instead of forcing users into expensive upgrades. It's building a modular ecosystem where you can simply expand your gear when you're ready. Future-proof, flexible, speakingly affordable. Speaking of affordable, under $250 gets you gesture and voice control, upgraded flight time, direct charging, and pro-level features in a drone that weighs less than a smartphone. Built for solo travelers, vloggers, and beginners, the Neo 2 redefines what a lightweight drone can do. With a new 2-axis gimbal, 4K 60 FPS recording, 10-bit HDR, and D-Log M color profiles, your aerial footage will finally look like something out of a film studio. And for the first time, DJI's Compact King gets omnidirectional obstacle sensors, giving it serious awareness of its surroundings. Whether you're flying through narrow alleys, forests, or beaches, the Neo 2 stays safe, stable, and cinematic. Add 19 minutes of flight time and direct USB-C charging, and you've got a mini drone built for the modern creator. The lineup looks equally tempting. Fly Solo Bundle, $229 Creator Combo, $299 FPV. Starter Pack, $399 Fly More. Kit, $449, no registration hassles either. Its sub-249G weight keeps it travel-friendly and legal in most countries. So mark your calendars. October 30th, 2025. DJI is ready to rewrite the rules again. The Neo 2 isn't just another mini drone. It's a bold statement that portability doesn't have to mean compromise. And just when the dust starts to settle, leaks of the DJI Avata 3 surface online. Gone are the bulky orange bumpers and the heavy shell. What replaces them is a lean, aerodynamic beast built for speed, agility, and cinematic perfection. Early whispers suggest a 1-inch CMOS sensor, making it a low-light monster ready to challenge every FPV drone out there. If the rumors are true, DJI isn't just evolving, it's revolutionizing how we fly. Something big is coming. And you're seeing it here first, only on GadgetVerse. So tell me, will you be picking up the Neo 2? Or are you holding out for the Avata 3? Drop your thoughts below, hit that subscribe, and stay tuned because this is just the beginning of DJI's next big leap. Description: SEO optimized. DJI is back, and this time, it's rewriting the rules. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be the smartest mini drone ever built. Combining portability, pro-level performance, and modular innovation in one ultralight package. From its OcuSync for connection and detachable transceiver to its 4K 60 EFPs, HDR camera, and gesture control, the Neo 2 delivers a true cinematic experience at an affordable price. In this video, GadgetVerse breaks down every leak, rumor, and confirmed feature ahead of the October 30th, 2025 reveal, plus a sneak peek at the rumored DJI Avata 3, the FPV drone that could change everything. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech leaks, drone reviews, and future gadget deep dives.